Hey everyone, this is Bill Seagroves with Clip Software, and today I'm going to introduce you to the CLIPitc Affiliate Program. This program is available to current customers and those who just may want to earn some extra cash. Here's how to get started. If you're not already a CLIPitc customer, head over to clip.com/products and sign up. We'll give you a free basic account that you can use to demo the software. You'll notice at the bottom of the sign up field there's a place for a referral code, and that's where your referrals will enter the number you give them. Go to your email and confirm your sign up. Once you confirm your sign up and your system gets set up, click the gear icon at the top. On the left, click the referral code tab and enter a valid PayPal email address and click Generate Referral Code. You can always revisit this page to see your code and simply click the link labeled Copy to Clipboard. You can then send that number to any prospective customer via email, text, whatever. We'll even give you some marketing material if you need it. Just email us at marketing@clip.com. It's that easy. Almost anyone is eligible. Employees of Clip Software and their families are exempt, however. And you must be in good standing with Clip Software and have an active PayPal account. Here's the best part though. Every month that a customer that signed up with your code stays on board, you'll get paid. $5 for Enterprise, $3 for Plus, and $2 for Basic. Payouts will happen quarterly, and you have to earn at least $50 for a payout to occur. Terms can change with a 30-day notice. So what are you waiting for? Earn some extra cash by continuing what you're already doing, recommending CLIPitc to your friends, neighbors, and other industry pros. And remember, at Clip, your success is our passion.